So just a quick video. Just picked my car up from the garage. Garage bill was £340. Little strategy I'd like to share with people. I have AA cover, pretty much top of the range. I get a rental car when I break down. It's joint cover for me and my wife, and I have parts and garage cover, which covers me for lots of things. It covered me for the recent breakdown. Recent breakdown being my alternator went in North London. Managed to get it home, which is about 25 miles from London. Electric started shutting down at that point, almost as I got near the house. Rang the AA up, have home start as well. So my AA package costs £360 a year. Pound a day pretty much, just for peace of mind. So AA man came out, diagnosed the problem, which is what I thought it was, the alternator. Electric started shutting down, power steering going, airbags going, probably be quite, lights were going as well. Luckily it was daytime and it wasn't raining, because the windscreen wipers would have stopped if they were going. So we got home, AA man came out, diagnosed the problem. With the package I've got, I received a hire vehicle that I picked up, and I was allowed that for 72 hours. I also had the car recovered to a garage and for repairs, and the bill came in at £330, like I said. With the parts and garage cover, I've got cover up to £500, which the AA man was really helpful with, and he'd done all the paperwork with the garage and explained things to them as he dropped the car off with me. And so I left the car with them. They dealt with that. I went and got my hire vehicle, which kept me mobile for 3 days because life goes on, and all is good. So I've gone to the garage this morning, paid the bill, and in paying the bill, the garage have given me an invoice with an authorization code from the AA on it. I can now claim pretty much all of it, minus I think £35 of the garage bill back from the AA. They will pay £300 back to me within 3 weeks. It's the first time I've ever done this claim. A friend of mine recommended this service to me, which I'm now recommending to you guys. Yeah, so signing up for the AA. There's a cheat with this as well. If you sign up for Top Cashback, and there's a link below this video, sign up for Top Cashback. Click the search bar in Top Cashback and type the AA in there. They will give you cashback for buying through this website for the AA. I received £120 of the £360 membership back. So I have paid £240 for annual AA membership. I have had a hire vehicle, I've had my car repaired, and I still have 9 months cover of hassle-free motoring. And if I break down and the AA recover me, the garage parts are pretty much free for a maximum of up to 5 claims per year. So sign up for Top Cashback, get yourself into AA via that link so you get some money back off it. Sign up for a year's package. If you can, pay for it in one go, because you'll save money there. And if you are married, alternate the membership year by year with your wife. So 1 year you'll have membership, second year she'll have membership. Alternate like that, because when they try to renew automatically, they charge the fees go through the roof. So year on year, cancel it and restart in your spouse's name, in your wife or husband's name. Get home start, get relay, get the hire vehicle option, and get parts and labour. Enjoy hassle-free motoring, save money.